Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money from your Electrum wallet. First, open your Electrum wallet and click on the Send tab. This is where you'll initiate all outgoing transactions. Next, carefully enter the recipient's Bitcoin address into the Pay to field. Accuracy is crucial to avoid sending funds incorrectly. Then, specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. You can also adjust the transaction fee to influence how quickly your transaction is confirmed on the network. Before finalizing, always take a moment to review all the transaction details. Double-check the recipient's address and the amount you are sending. Electrum provides a suggested transaction fee, but you have the option to adjust it. A higher fee typically means your transaction will be processed faster by the network. Ensure the total amount, which includes the fee, is correct before moving forward. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click the Send button. You will then be prompted to enter your wallet password to authorize the transfer. This security step ensures only you can send funds. After authorization, Electrum broadcasts your transaction to the Bitcoin network. You can then monitor its status in your wallet's History tab, watching for confirmations as it processes. For optimal security, always double-check every recipient address before sending any Bitcoin. Keeping your Electrum wallet software updated is also vital, as updates often include important security patches. Remember to back up your wallet's seed phrase in a secure, offline location. This is your ultimate recovery key. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to those, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.